We have insisted on manufacturing high-quality stationery for the past 40 years. Baoshan Enterprises Co. Limited has been devoted to the field of office stationery and supplies since 1971. The awarding of the ISO 9002 quality certification is owing to our 40 years professional experience in the field and strict quality control. Ongoing innovative products from a professional and devoted research and development team.
Did you know that the US spent around $420 billion last year on home improvements? With massive increase in renovation and DIY improvements, the staple gun has become a staple in many toolboxes. The staple gun is a device that allows you to staple soft material onto wooden surfaces. Hi, my name is Joe from Baoshan Enterprises, and we are one of the largest stationery, office equipment and staple gun manufacturer in the world. Founded in 1976, we've grown to a company with more than 500 employees, shipping over 1,500 types of products to over 110 countries. Under the leadership of Jackson, Matthew and Gilbert Wong, our company has flourished even more. We're known by our brand KW-triO, and we live by a motto based on the 3 O's in our brand: to outperform, to outlast, and be outstanding. We've done a lot of research into the staple gun market and understand what today's diverse consumers are looking for. A user-friendly product with an easy-to-squeeze handle, powerful enough to tackle any job. The result? Our innovative line of EasyTech series. With our EasyTech series, there's no flashy feature and that requires you to tinker with. No switches or dials. Just pull out the tab, load your staples, and you're ready to go. Here's where the first O comes into play: outperform. The 18532 heavy-duty stapler, for example, consistently outperform because of the really low handle force. At around 21 pounds, this is up to 50% less handle force when compared to other staplers in the market. Our competitor staplers range from 30 pounds to 45 pounds. We have seen enough reviews to understand how important having an easy to squeeze feature is. These staplers also have long wet fire cycles. In layman's terms, they last a long time. All these guns easily allow you to shoot 25,000 times, compared to many cheap staplers that last less than 1,000. We outlast the competition. Looking for a more lightweight version? The 18552 heavy-duty stapler is made with a lightweight thermoplastic polymer, meaning less hand and wrist strain for the user. It's also able to fire 25,000 times, just like the 18532 metal version. Let's hear from some of the customers and their experience with the EasyTech line.
Hi Joe, I used the metal stapler this weekend putting on house wrap for a remodeled garage, and it worked great. We should get your account set up so that we can move forward.
Hello Joe, got the samples you sent. This is definitely better than the brand name staplers from the big box stores.
Joe, we're very happy with the samples. So, let me take 1,000 pieces right now.
Hi Joe, I liked the metal stapler so much I didn't want to try the plastic one. Of course, I will test the plastic stapler too and will continue to use them on projects to see how they hold up longer term.
Looking at above, I'd say it's clear as day that we've achieved the last O, outstanding. But wait, there's more. Despite the EasyTech series only using 22 pounds of handle force, we're soon coming out with a game-changing version that only requires 17 pounds of squeeze force. We're passionate about giving you the best user experience and top-notch quality. Thank you for your time and attention today. To learn more about the products, you can contact us. KW-triO, outlast, outperform, outstanding.